And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 122 and 123. And in those episodes, King Piccolo is finally defeated. Everybody is freed. But now the question is, how is Goku going to bring back everybody that is dead? Like Master Roshi, Chaozu, and mainly the Shenron. The eternal dragon is gone. So now Karin told Goku to meet Kami. Kami, that is God in Japanese. So now Goku is going to meet a god after defeating a demon. And now after meeting the god, let's see what happens if only Shenron comes back to life, and then Goku asks Shenron to bring everybody else back to life, or he directly asks God to bring everybody back to life. And others, I don't think there is anything else to say, because Yamcha and others are just relaxing at their home because there is nobody else to fight now. They just need to train for the next martial art championship. And if Goku participates, they all are cooked. I don't know why would they participate in the next martial art tournament unless they have some good reason, because now everybody knows that Goku is even more powerful than Tien, and Tien is more powerful than Yamcha. Yamcha couldn't beat Tien even right now, and Tien can't beat Goku, so there is no sense in them participating in World Martial Art Tournament because they can't beat their own friend in, the power scaling. So why would, yeah, so we just need to see what happens in the next martial art tournament, because like I said before, there is the search for Dragon Balls, then there is the tournament, then balls, then tournament, balls, tournament. That's just how everything goes. And right now the villain is defeated, the balls are going to get together, everybody is going to come back to life, and before the next villain emerges, we are going to see a tournament. I think so. That's what I think so. Maybe not, because the next villain is already set in motion. The offspring of Piccolo, the kid Piccolo, that was shown at the end of the episode. He has already started his terror. He already destroyed the home that he was brought into after he crash landed somewhere. So now we need to see what that kid Piccolo grows into. Is his name Piccolo, or should we call him something else? Some musical instrument name? And is he going to fight Goku in his kid form, or will he need to grow up? Maybe 16, 17 years of time jump, and then he will fight Goku when he is adult or something. But then Goku would also be an adult. So is he a long-term villain now? I don't know, because after Dragon Ball there is Dragon Ball Z. So maybe he would be the first villain of Dragon Ball Z. That's what they are, putting since right now. We don't know yet. So yeah, let's just watch today's episodes. Episode number 24, 25 and 26. 124, 125, 126. And we are going to watch 3 episodes today, because from 127 fillers are starting. 127 to 133, 6 episode filler is there. 132, 6 episode filler is there. So the fillers will not be uploaded on YouTube. The fillers are going to be uploaded on Patreon only. So if you want to see my reaction to those fillers, you need to go to Patreon. I might have the link in my bio, or I will put it in the description or comment somewhere. You will just need to, or you can just search Manga Nom Nom on Patreon. So yeah, let's just start today's, and this will be the last video on this arc, and after fillers a new arc will be starting, I think so. Are the arcs in Dragon Ball? I don't know, because yeah, let's just go into today's episode and start today's episode number 124. Let's go.
I found the Powerball!
That was quick. I thought that He would take more
This
time.
is just an example of Kami's will at work. Then I'll meet you on the roof with your power pole.
Sure.
Is there no other way to climb on the roof? Okay, that's the only way. Doesn't gravity affect Karin? Hey, by the way! Wow, babe, ढेपल्या. गेला बाबू, गेला. आहा, सोडू नको. बाबू, खतम आहे पुरा तू. So, do we need to put the pole inside
Take
that?
the power pole and put it in the hole in the
Yeah,
roof.
that's what I thought.
Okay.
Now hold on to the pole and it will take you to the temple.
So, like this?
Yeah.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
that's it. Now command your pole to stretch and you'll be on your way.
Power pole stretch.
An elevator, isn't it?
Abe! Oi!
I want you to take this bell with you.
Why?
What's this for?
Team 7 training?
That bell can mean Kami.
Okay.
Okay. We don't know.
I'm all set.
But that looks
Get
like
ready.
Doraemon's
Here I come,
brain.
Kami.
Power pole
Wait a
extend.
You're going to meet Kami dressed like that? Your clothes are all torn up. You should show him some respect.
Oh,
That
new
is true.
clothes?
Nah, don't worry. Your new clothes would get worn out too.
Hmm?
What do you mean by that?
Are you trying to
Friction,
say I'll have to fight Kami when I get up there?
atmosphere,
no, of course
friction,
not. Kami's very gentle.
What exactly do you
friction.
mean?
Oh, you'll see. Oh, don't worry about it. It's safe.
Let's just
It'll all
go.
make sense when you meet Kami. Now go, be on your way.
Come on. Can't you be a little more specific?
No.
That's okay. I'm still going.
Great.
Bye-bye.
And good luck.
Hmm.
You're gonna need it.
Let's go.
See ya.
He is talking
okay.
in riddles.
Here I go.
Power pole extend.
Watch
Hey,
yourself.
come on, Abin.
And make sure you don't fall.
Power pole, extend! See you when I get back.
See ya.
That does it. You're back in one piece again.
One Piece, you are back in One Piece. You are no more in Dragon Ball. You are back in One Piece.
But your kindness helps a lot.
Still, there's no need to flatter me.
Hey, what about me? I sure wish I had a girl who looked like you and wanted to take care of me all the time. Oh my, I made you guys blush.
Pig, show me.
Mela babu tu.
Make me get tough.
Now a special announcement from the king to the boy who defeated Piccolo and saved the world. You are to receive the Blue Star Medal for your bravery.
Hey, he's talking about Goku.
भावले
If you're
पीस
up,
प्राइज
young
भेटू
man,
राहिला
please come and collect your medal at your earliest convenience for
और ये बेकार मेडल भेटू राहिला
Citizens of
भावले
Eastern City owe you our deepest gratitude.
Wow, the Blue Star Medal.
Hey, isn't that the highest honor in the whole world?
I just hope that wherever he is, he's not in trouble. I remember he said something about meeting Kami. If that's true, I wonder how he's going to do it.
Huh? He reached the temple? I thought there would be 2 or 3 tests.
It's huge. Corin was right. It's way up here.
And it is flying. What
I
is
hope
that?
my pole can stretch all the way.
Oh, it is going to connect. It is going to connect. It also has the hole. Oh, it has the hole for the power pole. Nice.
I made it. Aha! Great, a ladder.
That looks like heaven. I would like to live there. Eh? I have seen this character, but I haven't seen him much. Is he Kami? He doesn't look like Kami. He
Hey,
looks like
hi.
Aladdin.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Goku. I'm looking for someone named Kami.
are you?
Ah, yes, I know Kami. But my name is Mr. Popo.
Popo,
Kami told me
yeah.
all about you. You beat Piccolo, didn't you?
What?
Mr.
How did you find out
Popo.
about that?
Kami knows about everything, my friend. Kami is great. Are you ready for the test?
What test?
Exactly, that's what I.
Test.
At least.
You must fight me, Mr. Popo. And if you win the match, you
Oh.
will then be able to meet Kami.
Sure,
Okay.
that sounds like an easy enough
Let's
thing
go.
to do. Okay, let's
Is
have a
Popo
match.
powerful? I
You're
don't
the
know.
first challenger I've had in centuries. This is exciting.
So who was the last challenger that challenged you? Maybe someone we know. Maybe Master Roshi.
Great. So we'll fight until one of us gives in, okay?
Sounds great. He's gone.
But he is not.
There you are.
Eh?
Ouch! Hey!
Yes, gotcha.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think
Gotcha.
that punch was just a lucky coincidence.
I don't think so.
I
He is
will
a
let that
friend
happen
of Kami. He lives with
Are
Kami.
you ready?
You really think that is lucky?
With this punch,
You
you'll
really
give
think?
up.
You really think that?
Oh, got you again.
What's happening, Goku? Why are you
You're
giving
not
him
very strong. Please.
open
I'm actually the same guy who defeated
spots?
Piccolo.
I am strong. So you take that back.
You're
Do the Kamehameha. Ah. And what kind of name is Popo? Po. Is that Popo? Who is that? Is that a new character? Is that Kami?
Kame.
I did say Kamehameha. Ha! Huh? He is going to eat it? All of it?
Has Goku met his match in the jovial Mr. Popo? And if so, does this mean he'll never get to meet with Kami and save his friends?
Nah.
Find out on the next Dragon Ball.
So now we have completed episode number 123 and nothing much happened in this episode. Goku only reached Kami's place, the temple above in the heavens or floating in the cloud that Karin told about, and we met a new character, Mr. Popo. So, and as I said that there would be test in order to meet Kami. So now Goku needs to defeat Popo. But I think that Popo is going to teach him some, like when Karin taught him when he was, the first time he met Karin, he was in fighting for water with Karin. So Karin taught him to focus on the enemy's movements and all, breathing and all that. So that's what Karin taught him while fighting him. And just like that, I think that Popo is going to teach him some things to how to control his power and all that, and that would help him defeat Popo, and then he will meet Kami. I think that's what, because we only have 2 more episodes. This episode number 125, and the next one that is I will be watching in this video only, episode number 126, and after that there is filler. So I don't think that those fillers are the part of this journey. So before episode 126 ends, Goku needs to meet Kami and bring back his friends. So yeah, I think that in these 2 episodes everybody will come back. Goku will meet Kami and we will get to see Master Roshi, Krillin and all the other martial artists come back. So yeah, let's just hop into the episode number 125, and let's see what happens. Let's go. So today we are going to see if God takes Goku
Looking after the Guardian of
in
the Earth keeps me pleasantly
does-
busy, little Goku. While I do enjoy your company, it is time for you to leave.
Wait!
I don't
can't
think
leave.
Goku would
Gorin
leave.
said coming up here was the only way to bring back everybody Piccolo hurt. They were my best friends. I'm not going!
No matter how strong you are, there will always be someone stronger who comes along. To stay on top, you must keep pushing past what you think is strength. The lookout is at a very high altitude, Goku. The air's quite thin, so breathing is much more difficult.
Oh, so that's how he is
Train
going to
without
get
passing out,
stronger.
You need to get rid of your redundant moves. Energy's far too precious up here to be wasted.
How do I not waste it?
You must be more tranquil than the sky, yet quicker than lightning.
But the sky doesn't move. And when I see lightning, it's really quick. Sounds pretty tricky to me. Wait a second. If this Guardian is stronger than both of us, why didn't he come down and beat Piccolo?
I'm afraid his role is not that simple.
Because he doesn't do
Hey,
such
I've got
trivial
it. I'm
things
gonna
like
stay here
saving
forever.
human beings. That's how gods are. They just let humans die. That's how every god is.
Until I get strong enough to beat both you guys, then I'm sure you'll help.
They only come in their stories and not in
So,
real
where do you
life.
wanna start? I move less than the sky, and yet I move quicker than lightning.
That
Always so cheerful and determined.
you moved more than sky.
Go home, Goku.
Go,
Wait, don't
Goku.
leave. Did I say something wrong?
You are not
I'll
ready
look
yet.
after the Earth's Guardian, my boy. I don't have time for shenanigans.
So what are you going
You
to do,
must
Goku?
decide. Will you commit to years of training that could end in vain?
Yes.
You bet. I'll do whatever it takes to bring my friends back.
That's
good to hear.
Hey, who's there? Is that you, Mr. Guardian?
Exactly.
And he's talking to me?
exactly.
I will meet with you now.
Oh, you mean it? Before the years of training? Yeah!
You're a fortunate boy, Goku. This is rare.
Because God doesn't want us to experience 5 more episodes. If only that could happen in One Piece.
Don't move closer than this.
Okay.
Oh,
This is
Goku.
exciting, isn't it? Wow,
Go.
I can't wait.
Has Goku seen him? Have
Where
we
is
seen him?
Remember, stay put.
Is he Grandpa Gohan or Master Roshi or someone
Oh,
like
boy.
that? He is tall.
Piccolo! I should have known that you were still alive, you big monster!
Goku, wait! No!
Give me back my friends! Let go of me! You don't understand! He's the bad guy I told you about!
It's you who fails to understand. This is not Piccolo.
I should have known Korin wouldn't explain it to you.
Does look like
Whoa!
the old Piccolo.
Did you say Korin?
There's a good reason
The
you
old,
mistook me for
but-
Piccolo, my boy.
Piccolo is dead.
Ages ago, we two beings were one.
Ah,
A single coin with two opposing sides. My name is Kami, and I am indeed the guardian of this planet.
ooh.
But it wasn't always that way.
Ah.
What do you mean?
Guardians are a mortal lot, much like you. There was a guardian before me, and I sensed that his end was approaching. I made the same trek that you did, up to this lookout, hoping to become his successor. But he turned his back on me. I strongly believed that I was destined to replace him, but in his great wisdom, he saw in me a side I was too proud to admit. You see, a guardian's motives must be pure, yet in me was a selfish desire for its power and control. A side that thrived on bitterness and hate. For many brutal years, I meditated and trained, until I was finally able to separate my impure desire and drive it out of my body. That evil became Piccolo. While in my purified form, I remained at the lookout and became the next guardian. Piccolo went down to the earth to incite disorder. It's been a great source of guilt for me. But you, Goku, have stopped him in his boldest assault, and in gratitude, I will give ear to your request. But on one condition. You must remain here and train under me for as long as my own motives require.
Of course, I wanted to do that anyway. Now I can tell you which friends to bring back, right?
I know. Krillin, Chaozu, Master Roshi, Nom, all the other fighters. Unfortunately, my powers as Guardian will not bring them back.
He can bring Shenron
The
back.
one being that has that ability is Shenron, the dragon. I guess I'll simply have to recreate him and let the Earthlings use the Dragon Balls again.
Recreate?
You can really do that, Kami?
Yes, but I do so begrudgingly. From now on, Goku, you must take greater care to protect your friends and secure the power of the dragon.
I promise to.
Good. I will hold you to that. Now, Mr. Popo, I would like to begin recreating the Eternal Dragon immediately.
Yes, come.
Thank you.
So
thank
he
you, thank you,
creates
thank
the
you, thank you,
dragon.
Thank you, Mr. Kami Guardian.
Does he use bones, flesh, blood to
Yeah.
create him?
Goku has won his
How
wish.
does
His
the
friends
god
and the Eternal
create
Dragon
the
will
dragon?
soon be revived. But what will Goku's training entail?
So now we have completed episode number 125 and we finally got to see Kami, and why Karin said that he already knows him. He looks very similar to Piccolo, and I mean he was, or there was a time when he was Piccolo, but he said that he separated his two forms, just like the thing that happened in What If to Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange separated his two, the one that became the evil Strange and the one that became the good Strange. So yeah, it's like that. One Piccolo became the evil one and this became the god. One became a demon and one became a god. Yeah. So that's the two separate parts. We got some backstory of Kami. I think his name is Kami now because he doesn't call himself Piccolo. The Piccolo was the down there. And Kami said that he would give Piccolo the dragon back. He would create the dragon, but in exchange for that, Goku would need to train under Kami as much as he wants. So Goku's training, we don't know how long would it take. Maybe that's what the the passage between Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z is. That is what the turning point would be on the Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z. At the end of Dragon Ball, Goku would come back becoming an adult, because all the Dragon Ball Z, in the whole Dragon Ball Z, I know that Goku is adult. So the kid version of Goku ends in this anime, Dragon Ball. So I think that until the adult time, he would train under Kami, he would become powerful AF, and then he would come back at the end of the Dragon Ball. Or maybe not, I don't know, I am just speculating. So we need to see what happens, and this is the last episode number 126 before the fillers start. So yeah, you will be able to see my filler reaction to the filler episodes on Patreon, and uncut reactions to the ones that I upload on YouTube on Patreon. So go there and you can watch it if you want to watch it, or you can just see my reaction to the canon episodes here, that is edited and cutted. Only the interesting parts are uploaded on YouTube. So yeah, let's get in the episode number 126. Let's go and see what kind of training does Goku have to go to, and how does Kami create the dragon. And if Kami creates the dragon, then Goku would have to go and tell the others down there that you guys need to call back everybody and make everybody alive, because Kami said that Goku needs to train under him. So I don't think Goku would go back down there and tell the wish to come true. Or maybe he makes the dragon right there and Goku asks him to make everybody alive like that. Or maybe after 1 year the Dragon Balls, the stones directly change into Dragon Balls back. So maybe everybody else just asks for the wish there down there. I don't know. There are many possibilities. We just need to see the episode. Episode number 126. Let's go.
Well, Goku, it's time for me to make good on my promise.
Oh.
Mr. Popo, please fetch the Eternal Dragon.
Right away.
Please fetch the Eternal Dragon. I thought you were going to create
You must
it.
understand. Once the dragon's alive, this is out of my hands.
Here it is.
The dragon is inside. Hey? So Eternal Dragon is really destroyed.
What?
Whoa. And Kami.
Ah, I didn't realize he was this badly damaged, Mr. Popo. Is it possible to fix him?
Sure.
Yes, it's easy.
Popo is going to fix it or Kami? Why is Popo fixing it? Is Popo stronger than Kami? Kami said that he is going to fix it. Gon na jeep go raila.
Is that really the Eternal Dragon?
How
Not exactly. Well, not yet. You see, Mr. Goku, Kami must first breathe life into it.
It's my job, but when he was destroyed, I had decided not to bring the dragon back.
Why, bro?
When I first created the Dragon Balls, I did so in order to encourage acts of bravery and give the people of Earth a sense of hope. But soon I learned that the hearts of men are easily corrupted.
Yeah.
People began killing one another in
Yes.
order to attain the Dragon Balls. Their greed and lust for power turned my noble, pure endeavor into one of evil. However, you've changed my mind, Goku. I was beginning to believe that all people were greedy and dishonorable.
Well, I am not
You've
greedy.
shown me that there are people that have kind and untainted minds and hearts.
Thank you, thank you.
Done.
Yo, nice. Popo
Stand back,
is
please.
fantastic.
All right.
Let's go. Now Kami is going to. Now Kami is going to breathe life in the dragon. Oh! Where is it? We saw the shadow, but not the dragon.
Wait, where is he going?
He
To
is
the balls.
searching for the Dragon Balls. Typically, they must remain in their stone form for a full year before the dragon can be summoned to grant a wish.
Yeah.
But this time, I've decided to make an exception for you and your friends, Goku.
Really?
Ooh, so they can ask for it right
Do
now.
you think I could go and watch my friends come back to life?
Don't tell me you've already forgotten your promise to remain here at the
No,
lookout
he
to
will
be
come
trained.
back.
Oh, that's right.
You'll stay here for 3 years.
But-
then you'll be able to see your friends again at the next
Oh
tournament.
shit, he
You
can't
know
go
about
back.
The tournament? Are you a psychic or something?
There's something you should know, Goku. Piccolo will be coming to the tournament to challenge you. So you must be prepared.
Piccolo? I thought I killed him. Are you sure he's alive?
Ooh.
Unfortunately, I am.
I don't believe it.
Oh.
As long as you're
He
here,
is coming
Piccolo
back
won't
for
be able to
tournament.
attack you. That way you can train for the next 3 years without any disturbances. Then you'll be strong enough to defeat him. Perhaps. I am
Okay.
prevented from destroying Piccolo myself in light of a minor technicality. The fate of the Earth rests in your hands because you are the only person capable of defeating him. Understand?
Okay,
I
no
understand.
problem.
Can you promise me that, Goku?
Yes, I
won't
promise
let
you.
down, Kami. Let's get started. I'm totally focused now.
Aha.
So if Goku kills him, he will, I guess,
Huh?
kill you.
Huh?
Well,
Huh?
That is correct.
Oh,
I have brought all this on myself. I must now answer for it.
then who will be the protector, Earth's
No
protector?
entity can strangle himself with his own hand. But I finally found a way to rid the world of the horrors I have caused. I know this won't be easy, Mr. Popo, but you must carry on without me until another guardian can be found.
Can't Popo become the next guardian?
next.
Or maybe Goku?
Hey, what's wrong?
Hmm? खतरनाक रे बा!
Did you see that?
What's going on?
Hey!
Yamcha?
Shenron, we call upon you.
Come on. Come on.
You need to call him.
Shenron.
Come on, help us.
Hey, hey! कल सही दिसते लेगा.
He's really here. I can't
लय
believe he
जबरदस्त.
actually came.
Who woke me from my slumber?
Say something.
We thought you'd been destroyed, Mr. Dragon!
Kami saw that Goku's purpose was noble, and so he chose to resurrect me.
If I faint, catch me.
Where is Goku?
Kami has chosen Goku for an important task, and he is now training at the lookout. You will see him again at the next tournament.
Who is Goku training with?
Kami.
Wait, you'll know soon enough. Now your wish.
We wish for you to bring back to life all of our friends who were killed by Piccolo and his monsters!
Krillin,
And-
Master Roshi, and
and-
Chiaotzu.
And other.
It will be so.
अबे and other.
Wait a minute. What about all the other innocent
this
people
sound
that Piccolo killed? You should help them too.
Oh, that's a lot of people.
There's no other martial artists too. Can you do that? All of that? Is that possible?
Very well. All of the people who were killed by Piccolo shall be brought back to life.
How many that would be? 100, more than hundreds. And what if some people's body is disintegrated? टाकल्यावर चपकन दिली ठेवून.
Your wish has been granted.
धन्यवाद रे, धन्यवाद. Let's go.
Welcome
अबे
back,
झाले
guys.
7 बॉल पसरले वापस.
Was I dead the whole time?
Pretty hard to believe, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Right now, I bet there are some really happy people somewhere.
I can't believe Goku did this for us. I could marry that guy.
I can sense he defeated Piccolo. What I don't know is where he's at right now.
Kami.
I'm not positive, but the Eternal Dragon said he was training at Kami's lookout.
Oh, Master Roshi might know him.
Kami's lookout!
What's the matter?
Master Roshi will know.
No, not at all. It's amazing. It's just so hard to believe. It's even possible.
What? You know something? Spill the beans.
I don't
Senzu
like going
beans?
off of hearsay, but if this dragon is correct and Goku's training at the lookout with Kami, well, I guess it would help if you knew Kami's other name. Guardian of the Earth.
We already knew that.
Well, I sort of remember something like that being said.
That's impossible, Master Roshi. You're joking with us, right? It can't really be the truth.
It's true. Goku is something very different from you and I, and Kami's obviously recognized it. To be honest, I'm chopped liver in comparison to that monkey-tailed boy.
He's a kid, and he's already surpassing us in strength. Now that he's training with Kami, we'll never catch up with him.
Well then,
There's no
just have to
use
train twice as hard,
participating
twice
in
as
martial
fast,
arts.
and twice as long for the
Why?
next 3 years.
You
that's
wouldn't be able to defeat
Yeah,
him.
me too.
Me three.
Well said.
That's the spirit, guys. Chins up.
Goku, you must now focus your mental energy.
Is the training now?
I'm bored.
Don't talk. Eyes shut.
So his training has started. Everybody's training has started. Everybody wants to get. भाऊ ना पाणी काढलं नारळातून तसाच डायरेक्ट. Everybody's wow.
Thank you, Goku. I'll see you at the next tournament.
झाली रे बा.
Goku's wish
Next
has been
tournament ची
granted,
तयारी
and
चालू.
everyone has begun their training for the next tournament. But will 3 years be enough time to train Goku?
More than enough. So now we have completed episode number 126, and finally the Piccolo arc is King Piccolo arc is over now. Or is it? Because there is still the Kid Piccolo. So maybe King Piccolo's arc is over, but not Kid Piccolo's. We still need to face Kid Piccolo. Like Kami said, that Kid Piccolo will be participating in the next martial art tournament, and Goku still needs to defeat him. But if the Kid Piccolo is defeated, that means all the Piccolos are defeated. Then Kami also dies. If Goku kills Kid Piccolo, then Kami will also die. That is what he said. But if Kami dies, and yeah, Kami is the protector of Earth. That means, does all the other planets also have their own protectors? If there are any conscious beings on other planet, because during the last, the Penguin Village, when we entered the Penguin Village, there were aliens that came to Earth. So the planet that they were from, do they have one protector too? And who that protector is, and do they have their own Shenron? Because our protector, the Earth that is Goku on, that Earth's protector made a Shenron. So that would be for this Earth. And then the planet that those aliens came from, that would be a different planet, that would have a different protector, and that would have a different Shenron made by that protector. Maybe, or maybe not a dragon, but the anime is Dragon Ball, so there is a chance that it would be a dragon. But I thought that there would be another animals, maybe eternal rabbit or eternal dog or something like that. But it is called Dragon Ball, so there is more chances that a dragon would be the, that comes from the Dragon Balls. And they will also have the Dragon Balls. Also, if there is a different protector, different Shenron, then there should be different Dragon Balls on every planet. The geography is expanding. Dragon Balls, we just need to see more of it now. Maybe we will explore it in Dragon Ball Z, because we are almost nearing the end of Dragon Ball. Now I am going to watch the filler episode after this, so those won't be uploaded on YouTube, and the episodes that will be uploaded on YouTube will start from episode number 133, I guess, because till 132, episode number 132, there is fillers, and then from episode number 133, the tournament is going to start, and those episodes will be uploaded next on YouTube after this episode. So after this episode number 126 is completed in this video, the next video will contain episode number 133 and 134 on YouTube. And if you want to watch the filler episodes reaction, you can go to Patreon, and there you can watch the reaction. So yeah, let's just finish this video here, and I think that that's all I have to say for now, because now Goku is going to train for 3 years, and I think the next filler episodes that are ahead, they will be denoting all the struggle of Goku and the others, Yamcha, Tien, Chaozu and Krillin. They all training, and what kinds of different enemies they face during their training. That's all we will be seeing in the filler episodes. So there will be 3 filler episodes, because there are 6 videos. Sorry, there are 3 3 videos because there are 6 episodes. So yeah, let's just meet directly into the tournament then. Tata, bye bye, see you and take care and enjoy.